Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. We got us a 2020 Kia Telluride with the 3.8 motor. So customer complained of an oil leak, and this was after she had an oil change done. So got the inspecting, cleaned stuff off, took a look at it, noticed that we were leaking from the bottom of the oil filter housing, and also right around the adapter itself. So because these things are plastic and they get hot cold, they warp, the seals on them leak. So you can probably replace the O-rings, but I'm replacing the whole unit because these things, like I said, they're plastic and they like to warp, especially when they get quite a few hot cycles and stuff on them. So, or people will over tighten the cap and warp this part right here, which they don't have a good sealing surface. So, but we are doing the oil filter housing on this thing, so not too bad. Bottom cover, it's held up with some tins. The wheel well liner here has a bunch of push clips and one tin right here, and you can gain access to everything right here, and those are going to be 12s. Sorry about that. So I will be yanking that off, cleaning that surface up. I'm going to put a little bit of Mopar RTV on the back of these sealant surfaces. You know, it has a new gasket. I just want to make sure that this little section will not leak again. And that's about it. So then we'll clean it off, brake clean, get everything all good, change the oil, and send a customer on their way. But this apparently is a big problem, because when I went to the dealer to pick up this part, they had 5 sitting on the shelf for other shops in order to pick up as well. So that's going to be something that I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to be doing, especially on these 3.8. Any questions or comments, feel free to let me know.